It's been said that cash is king, but lately it's been getting a run for its money. It's called BitCoin. Despite its name, you can't hold it in your hand. It's a digital form of money that only exists in cyberspace, sent globally from one computer to another. You can buy Bitcoin online. The virtual currency is then stored in a digital wallet on your computer. There are no rules or regulations. It's not connected to any bank or government. The attraction? Lower fees and no middleman. So is this a phenomenon that we're talking about?
Of course, very much so. Probably the most global, most decentralized phenomenon in human history.
Austin Alexander is the director of the BitCoin Center NYC, just steps from the New York Stock Exchange, where he extols the virtues of this anti-establishment currency. Tell me what's going on here.
So this is the auctioneer, and he's reading out people's offers, right? So he's telling anybody listening what people are willing to pay for Bitcoin and what people are willing to sell Bitcoin for.
630 bid, 640 ask.
Think of Bitcoin like a commodity, just like gold. Its value fluctuates from day to day, depending on the markets. There are, of course, advantages and disadvantages to that. For instance, last fall, speculators drove the price of a single Bitcoin to more than $1,200. But in recent months, the price has plummeted to half that, due in part to the bankruptcy of the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, after nearly $500 million in investor money vanished. But that hasn't deterred retailers from accepting Bitcoin, including Jennifer Longson's Cupcake Shop in San Francisco.
Low transaction fees, ease of use, it transfers into my account seamlessly.
Take a picture
Take
of
a
the
picture.
barcode.
I got just a little bit to get the whole thing in there. Here we go.
Okay,
Came right up.
great.
Now press send payment.
Send payment. Okay, takes just a few seconds. Sending transaction.
There you go.
And there
Payment.
it is. And big businesses are getting in on the action too. Now you can use Bitcoin to shop on Overstock.com, to buy a ticket to space on Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic, or go to an NBA game. There's talk Netflix may be next. I have here some Monopoly money.
That's right.
What's the difference between Bitcoin and Monopoly money?
This has a physical presence. This is real.
That's true. We're already ahead of the game.
A piece of paper.
Nobel laureate Robert Shiller is a professor of economics at Yale University. But I guess if you and I both agreed it had value, and we had enough people to agree that it had value, could it be a payment system?
Well, yes, it is. And by the way, Bitcoin is a payment system, and it is a form of money. It has succeeded. It has value, and people are buying and selling with it.
But Schiller says he doesn't expect that to last.
Well, I don't actually think that Bitcoin has a long future. Bitcoin came as a big surprise. I don't think of it as the new world. It's not the last. There's going to be lots of other innovations. And ultimately, the way we do commerce is likely to change.
Buyers in the room will pay 631 for your Bitcoin. 632, 633.
For now, advocates are banking on Bitcoin to succeed.
634, 634. Buyers will pay 634 for your Bitcoin. 635, 636, 637, 637.